You only want to deal with Amazon's Renewed Premium. With Amazon Renewed, what you get is something amazing. You get 365 days that you can return this if you have any issue with it. Battery not good enough, it's not up to your expectations. This is going to give you that premium renewed condition. So it's going to be 90% of the original battery life. This is super important. When you're on Amazon buying something like this, you absolutely want to make sure that the seller is Amazon and they are the shipper. You only want to deal with Amazon's Renewed Premium. If you don't see it on there, you see a lower price, you click into other sellers and you should be able to find Amazon, but make sure that it says Renewed Premium because they also sell renewed and they sell used. Let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. All right, we're gonna see what we get in here. Looks like just a regular charging code right here. Here is the phone. We're going to take this out and take a look. I don't think anything else is in here. This is literally just the phone. So I'm going to put this down. I don't see any issues. I'll hold it up here. And on the front, it's got this cover. So I'm trying to see if I see, nothing. I don't know if you can see. No scratches. It looks beautiful. It's basically a brand new phone. It goes through all their testing. This is the best way. I feel very comfortable with this. And this is probably how I'm going to buy phones moving forward in the future.